Congratulations that you're running in this race, and please tell people about yourself.
Hello, my name is Angelo King. I live in Flushing, New York. I am an electrician, and I'm running for New York State Assembly. Go out there and vote, because at this point, we're going through a lot in this New York State. We're going through a lot of these legislations that they're pulling out, and they're not going to the people. They're not going to the constituents. The reason why I'm running is because I'm sick and tired of the fact that these past 3 years, these people used the emergency and the COVID to say that the Constitution was frozen, when in reality, the governor is not supposed to be a dictator. The legislative branch has been silent, and they have not said anything against Governor Hochul or Governor Cuomo. And if they're not going to listen to their constituents, we the people have to step up and do something about it. And as an electrician, as a person who wakes up every morning at 4:30 in the morning, every single day to go to work, right? I have a responsibility for my family, but also the people who have been elected there have been given the privilege to step up for us, and they're not stepping up for any one of us.